To see how I created this beautiful updo hairstyle using clip-ins from Lovrio Hair Company, please continue to watch. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am back today with another clip-ins video. Today I will be doing an updo with a scarf using these 18-inch clip-ins that I received from a company called Lovrio. And I will have all of the company's information in my description box. Also, I'm separating the clips just so it'll be easier to install. Right here, I'm parting my hair with my fingers. Parts do not have to be neat. And I also forgot to mention that this hairstyle took me 10 minutes. So if you're one of those people when situations just pop up, spur of the moment type situations, and you need to hurry up and do something to your hair, you need to grab you some of these clip-ins. Check this company out because they do have a variety of color, and if you're anything like me and it's hard to find your hair color match, this company probably has your color and your hair type. I feel like they have something for everyone, and on top of all of that, they are very affordable. Okay, right now what you see me doing is applying these clip-ins going upwards. Okay, right here I am still parting my hair with my fingers and applying clips. And just for this particular hairstyle, I don't believe there's really a right or a wrong way on where and how to apply these clips, because basically each clip is going to be hiding the other clip. And I'm just trying to form a ponytail, and then at the end of the hairstyle I will be using a scarf to cover up whatever else isn't covered. Also, I am using 2 packs of clip-ins. These are Afro Kinky Curly 18-inch clip-ins that I'm using for this hairstyle. So right here, I'm just applying these clip-ins, putting them in where they fit in. That's all I'm doing, just to finish covering up all of my hair. Okay, right here, I am just going to pull all of my hair up, and then I'm going to secure it with the ponytail holder just to get it out of the way while I do something with my real hair. And what I'm going to do is just spray my hair with a little water and brush it up into the clip-ins to form a ponytail. It doesn't have to be neat because, like I said before, it will be getting covered with a scarf. Okay, right here I am just separating the curls and fluffing my hair and putting all the curls in the position that they need to be in to create the hairstyle that I am going for. And once I finish doing that, I'm going to take 2 sections in the front and do one big 2-strand twist. And on the twist, I am going to add a gold hair clip, and then on the other side I will add another gold hair clip. Then the style will be complete. I hope you like this video. I hope you think this style is as cute as I think it is. And if you happen to recreate it, tag me in the video. I would love to see the recreation of this hairstyle. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.